Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. Uh, Welcome to my channel Maths with Umar. And today we are going to see 18th and 19th question of grade 9 practice questions a day. Students, without wasting time, I'll take your half a minute to remind you to do problems by your own after listening to the explanation. Okay, understood? So uh, please do it. Okay, now let us read the question. Find the coefficient of x in the expansion. Do anybody remember what's the concept over here? Yes, polynomials. And in polynomials we have seen algebraic identities, x plus 5 whole cube, and coefficients of the terms. This we have studied in polynomials. And since the next question is also belongs to polynomials, I have added them in one video. Okay, and if minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, what you are supposed to do, you have to find a. Okay, fine. So first go to 18th problem. Whenever we see find the coefficient of x, so that means you have to find a term where you have only x. Understood? So actually, what is x plus 5? X plus 5 is what? It is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So what is a plus b whole cube? If you remember this, see, the identity is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This is the identity we all know. But now, so here you have to find the coefficient of x. X means it is in which place, my dear students? It is in a place, right? In the first one. So a cube means it becomes x cube. Here square means it will become x square. So here you have only a. So if you are clever enough, so you can use only this term to find out what is the term which contains x. So 3ab square. So 3 multiplied by what is a? X multiplied by 5 square. So 3 times x times what is 5 square? 25. We already know 3 into 25, 75x. So what is the coefficient of x? It is 75. No need to do the whole thing. Okay, if you are interested, you can also do this. Sir, it is x plus 5 whole cube, sir. So it will become x cube plus 5 cube. 5 cube means 125 plus 3 times a square means x square into 5. So 3 into 5 is 15x square, and this is 75x. So therefore the coefficient of x is 75. Understood? Both ways you can do. Okay, if you are not sure enough about this, regarding this, you expand the given identity and then find out the coefficient of x. Got it, my dear students? Now let us see the next question in a different color so that you can enjoy. Okay, so now if minus 1 is the 0 of the polynomial, so what does the 0 of the polynomial means? So if a is 0 of any polynomial, let us say p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. If a is 0, then substitute a in place of x. The result also will be equal to 0. So what is given here? He has given that p of minus 1 is 0. Sorry, minus 1 is 0. So write p of x first. P of x is equal to x cube minus x square plus x plus 4. Understood? And since minus 1 is 0 of the polynomial, so what happens, my dear students? since minus 1 is 0 of the polynomial. So is p of minus 1 is equal to 0? Yes. So therefore substitute p of minus 1 in place of x. So a into minus 1 whole cube minus of minus 1 whole square plus of minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. This is important. So that implies minus 1 whole cube. Students, I will explain you. Say minus 1 whole cube. So can I write it as minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1? So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. So what is the answer? Minus 1 whole cube? Minus 1. So is it minus 1a? Good boys. In the same way, minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 1 into minus 1. That is equal to plus 1, right? So you can write it as plus, no, minus 1 square is plus 1. So minus of plus, minus 1. So now here, what is this? Why did I write? Okay, it is minus 1, my dear friends. So plus of minus, minus 1 plus 4 is equal to 0. That implies minus 1a, minus 1 into, minus 1 and minus 1, add these two, 1 plus 1 is 2. Since both are negative, you make it minus 2. Minus 2 plus 4. What is minus 2 plus 4? Plus 2. Plus 2 is equal to 0. Now when you transpose plus 2, what happens? Minus a is equal to, it becomes minus 2. So minus and minus gets cancelled. Therefore, a is equal to 2. Got it? So this is from polynomials. Please write the steps. You will do mistakes over here. Let me highlight them with black. Okay, see, you do mistakes over here. P of 1 is equal to 0, right? This step, okay, you'll write. But after when you substitute, you forget to write is equal to 0. Here also you will forget to write 0. Here also you will forget to write 0. And somewhere you will do that a is equal to minus 2. You will forget. Understood? And the next thing where you will do mistakes is minus 1 whole cube. Understood? See, here you do mistake. And minus 1 whole square. And plus of minus 1. In these three places you do mistake. And if you want to see the answer clearly without any this scribblings, just go back, pause and copy it. But after copying, do it by your own. Understood? This is very important. I have given you a suggestion. So since these concepts are very important for PT3 also, so you try to make it a new book and take the printout of these PQADs, stick on the left hand side and write the answers in front of it. In the same way, do it for all PQADs. Okay, so that you will have a question bank with you before examinations, whether it is PT2 or PT3. Understood? I hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, please comment, or you have my phone numbers. You can call, you can message me over there, WhatsApp. I'll explain you the doubts. And if you understood the concept, then press the like button. Understood? Like, share, and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Thank you. Have a good day, my dear students. Bye.